Today we'll be installing an EcoHitch part number X7478S, which features our exclusive stainless steel receiver on a Toyota Corolla Cross hybrid. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and hit the subscribe button below for any future installs. Starting off, remove the two plastic clips connecting the bumper cover to the rear of the vehicle. Reach up behind the bumper and remove the 8 bolts that attach the rear crossmember to the vehicle. Lift one side of the crossmember up and towards the rear to detach it from the vehicle. Only detach one side for now. On the outside of the frame rail, scrape away the seam sealer to reveal 2 holes on the side of the frame. Scrape any of the seam sealer that's raised up and might interfere with the hitch side plates. Disconnect the wiring harness from the bottom of the frame rail. Insert the coiled end of a bolt fisher into the front hole and out the rectangular hole at the end of the frame. Attach a bolt and star washer to the fisher and feed it through the frame and out the hole. You might have to use a small screwdriver to help the bolt out the hole. Repeat this with a bolt, star washer, and 1x2 plate washer for the other hole on the side of the frame. Leave the bolt fishers attached for now. Lift a side plate into position over the bolts, then remove the fishers and replace them with a washer, lock washer, and nut. Leave the hardware very loose to allow the cross tube to fit later. Lift the cross member back into place, then disconnect the other side of it. Repeat the previous steps to install your other side plate. Reinstall the rear crossmember. Follow the guidelines in your instructions to trim your rear bumper to fit the hitch. With both side plates in place, lift your cross tube into place between them. Insert a bolt and washer through each hole and secure them with a washer, lock washer, and nut. You can now torque down all the hardware. Reinstall the clips connecting the bumper to the vehicle. Use the supplied zip tie to connect the wiring harness to the driver's side plate. Your EcoHitch is now installed and ready for your next adventure.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torque Lift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.